Hi everyone, there is a good news for you. Yesterday GitHub announced that they are giving this GitHub Copilot for free and they are giving this access to all of the developers and you can access this for free in your VS Code. So let me show you the setup in your GitHub. Go to this extension and install this GitHub Copilot. Okay, this is the extension and here you see that when you will install this extension, then you will find this type of interface and here click on the sign in to use the Copilot for free. This is the option. So after the sign in you will find this type of interface and follow my cursor. Here you see that on the right hand side below you will find two model. One is the GPT-4O, another one is the Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Okay, and also if you want to use this in web, then I have given a link in the description box. Here you can see that you will find this type of interface and here also you can ask anything to the Copilot. Okay, and it is completely free, but there is some limitation that I will discuss in this video. And so let me show you that what type of interface that you will get. So here you see, follow my cursor, you will find two interface. One is a chat and another one is the edit with Copilot. Okay, so if you select on this chat, okay, then you can simply chat with this Copilot. You can ask anything. But if you want some interaction with your code base, so here you see that I have one this sales tracker website, index.html, JavaScript and CSS. So if you want to interaction with your code base, then you have to go to this first option, which is edit with Copilot. Okay, now see, if I open any file, let's say I am opening this index.html. So here you see that on the right hand side this index.html file got added, okay, automatically. So now if you ask anything here to make change in this file, then it will do that change. Okay, now if you want to add the extra file also, then you can click on this add file and you can add this CSS file also or JavaScript file also. So you can actually do the multiple file editing. So sometimes what happens that in your React project or multiple or large project, okay, there two file dependency remains, right? So in that case you have to add that two file or three file, right? So it also supports this multiple file editing. Okay, so this was one part, and now also you can upload any file. So here you can see that there is upload file option, so you can upload any file by clicking on this upload option. Now you can do the voice chat also. This option is also supported here, right? Now if I go to the chat option, okay, so let me go to that. So here you see that there also you can actually add this context, this current file. So here you see the chat with extension button. Click on this chat with extension and here you will find many options like explain, search, debugging, okay, fix, many extension you will find. So you can use as your choice. Like if you want some searching, then you click on this VS Code search, or if you want some explanation with your code, then click on this explain. Okay, so now suppose I want to change something in this file like index.html. So I can write that any change, right? Change this occupy to occupy. Okay, so if I write this like change text occupy to occupy. Okay, so I am doing the small changes just to show you. Okay, so here you see that it is changing the, so now if I show you, here you see where is the, so here you see it has changed this occupy to occupy. Okay, now it is asking for the accept or discard, so I will go for the accept. Now it will be applied to your file. Okay, now click on this done and now it will be saved. Okay, so in this way you can actually change your file or you can use this Copilot for free. Now let me discuss about the limitation, like how much you can get the access. Okay, so here you see that GitHub Copilot plan. So first one is the free plan. Here you see that this is the $0, and there is some limitation like 2000 completions and 50 chat requests per month. Okay, so for this Claude 3.5 Sonnet or GPT-4o, you will get this 50 chat requests per month, right? And if you want to get the unlimited access, here you see that you have to give this $10 per month. Okay, and also you will get the first 30 days for free, means first month you will get the free access. After that you have to give this $10 per month. Now, if you compare this with the cursor or this WindSurf, so you see that they are also charging this $20 per month, and for this Claude 3.5 Sonnet and this GPT-4o, and WindSurf is also charging this $15 per month for this Claude and GPT-4o. But GitHub is charging only $10. So I hope if you go for this GPT-4 GPT sorry, if you go this GitHub Copilot, then it will be very helpful for you, because this WindSurf or this Cursor and Copilot, these three are using this Claude 3.5 Sonnet and GPT-4o. Okay, so they are using the same model, so you will get the same benefit from the three of this editor, right? So you can think about this GitHub Copilot. I think it will be very helpful for you, and you will get access to these pro models uh, with a less price, right? So this was my conclusion. So I hope you find this video helpful, guys. If you want to get this type of videos more, then please subscribe this channel, and don't forget to like this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.